Hello and welcome to beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is ALundy and I'm here at BISH'S RV today doing a quick walkthrough on a brand new 2022 Thor 4Winds 27R. This floor plan hasn't been around for very long, but it's known for having a king size bed in a Class C, so I'm really excited to show it to you today. And if you do end up finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. So coming over here, first thing you can see, we have LED lights under the awning. I love that, as well as outside TV. So this is great for camping with the kids, doing things outside as well as inside. You do have multiple storage compartments from the outside available. And as we come in, they did a fantastic job here. You can see solar stabilizers, your main power switch, awning, everything all together there. And walking in, the other controls for your generator, your tanks, everything's going to be right here. So you don't have to search for anything. Easy to find in this one. Very user friendly. And coming inside, you'll see that not only do we have a king bed, but you have your over the cab bed in this Class C, as well as a booth and a sofa posing inside, so you have that nice living room area, and they will also turn into beds. You have a jackknife here. This one also has upgraded front seats, so they're not going to be that cloth that stains easy. These are really nice artificial leather, very sturdy. You can see good sized TV, LED, uses very little power. All of the lights are going to be LED here, so you're really good and set up for dry camping. You also have a refrigerator and a freezer here that can run off of propane or electricity. So again, great if you're going out somewhere where you don't have power. Oven still, as well as a convection oven in your microwave. And one other really neat feature about this particular model is back here you have space to store items, as well as even wine bottles or other large bottles. Nice pull-out tray. This is just something that you don't see every day, especially in a Class C. And back here you can see large king size bed, power plugins all around, really nice wardrobe and dresser space on the back. So they did a really great balance here between living area, storage area, and bed area. And of course, privacy curtain, can't forget that. You do have a TV up here as well. And then in the bathroom, nice glass shower doors, storage cabinets. Just a great setup on this one, and really neutral colors too, which I like. You're not dealing with some bright pink polka dots, anything like that. You have two wardrobes here, as well as a pantry, which includes some pull-out shelves for canned goods and other items you want to stay put. So just all around, this is one of my favorite floor plans in the 4Winds. They were very thoughtful, everything from your USB and other plug-in locations to the amount of usable space that you get in something that is under 30 feet. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If you'd like more information or would like to talk to me, you can always call or text me directly at 541-337-2387. And thank you so much for watching.